Today, we will share DIY home remedy for dandruff, that is, use of onion juice. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Onion juice has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which is why some natural health experts advocate for it as an infection treatment. Many people experience dandruff due to a fungus called Malassezia furfur, so onion's antifungal properties could definitely come in handy as a dandruff fighter. Because there isn't a lot of research on onion as a dandruff fighter, though, it's not really a first-line treatment for moderate to severe dandruff. If you have the occasional flakes, however, you could try applying onion juice to your scalp. Now, how to use onion juice for dandruff removal. For this DIY dandruff treatment, you will need 1/2 of a whole onion. Now, what you have to do is blend the onion and extract its juice. Strain the liquid and apply it generously to your scalp. After application, leave it on for an hour, and then wash your hair. Here is the bonus tip for you. If your hair is super smelly after using an onion juice preparation, you can follow up with a mild shampoo and apple cider vinegar rinse. To do this, pour 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar into 1 cup water. Then, rinse the solution through your hair when you finish showering. Note: always dilute apple cider vinegar before using. Raw and undiluted ACV can cause burns and skin irritation. In our upcoming video, we will share DIY anti-dandruff treatment, that is, use of lemongrass oil. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.